everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do another experiment called underwater volcano. The things we need are a testing tube, but you can use a glass or a cup, and a spatula and a measuring cup and citric acid and any food coloring of your choice and baking soda and oil. The first step, and you need water. The first step is you pour 10 ml into the measuring cup of water. And then you pour it into the testing tube. Just like that. Then you pour the food coloring into the testing tube. You can use a glass or a cup, but I'm using the testing tube. You need 2 drops of any food coloring of your choice. Make it like, pour like little drops so it won't over mix. Now you need your stirring stick and you need to mix it together. Oh no, I have the stirring stick in here. Okay, there you go. You mixed it and you add 1 scoop of baking soda. 1 scoop of baking soda. Okay, this is citric acid. Okay, there we go. Okay, drops. You take the spatula, you grab 1 scoop of baking soda and you pour it in the food coloring. And then you measure 20 ml of oil. I'm using hair oil, but you can use cooking oil as well. Any oil is suitable for this. You put your baking soda aside, and your food coloring, because you don't need food coloring anymore. How much do I need to measure? 20 ml cup. You carefully, because this can spill everywhere. 20 ml. Make sure you use something to protect, because this might explode. So I'm using like this so it won't explode. And you pour the full oil in. Oh no, I dropped some. Okay, the next step is 1 drop of citric acid. Okay, let me tap this up. Let's do that. And 1 scoop of citric acid. I don't think this is going to explode for sure. Put it in here. That's 1. There you go. It's going to explode. We need more baking soda. Citric acid, I mean. It's not exploding. Oh, there it goes. Oh, it fell on my hand. It's disgusting. Look how it exploded. There it goes. So that's how we make an underwater volcano. It just won't stop. I need to clean this up. This is not going to plan. Okay. I need to clean this. Okay. So the reason why this thing is doing this, because similar to previous experiment, bubbles of carbon dioxide are released, but in this experiment, the bubbles move slowly through the oil layer because oil is stickier than water. This property is called oil is viscosity. So I hope you learn something, and I hope you do this experiment with me. Bye.